Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Chromebook is updated and you have a Google account signed in. Once done, check storage to ensure at least 200 MB free for apps and offline files. Next, open the launcher and locate the Play Store. If Play Store isn't available, use the Files app to access offline docs. Begin by searching for Google Docs in Play Store or the app launcher so you can install or enable it immediately. Now install and configure. If you chose the Play Store, tap Install and allow storage permissions. Otherwise, open Docs. Google, Common Chrome and add the web app to shelf. Once installed, open Google Docs and enable offline mode via settings so you can edit without internet. Also set a default download folder in Files app and adjust autosave preferences. Make sure files sync. Watch the status icon. A spinning circle means syncing. A check mark means done. Finish by opening a document and confirming autosave shows, save to drive, or a synced status. If you need offline access, move the file into the offline folder. Once everything is in place, pin Google Docs to your shelf for quick access and test opening a doc with Wi-Fi off. If something goes wrong, first toggle Wi-Fi and sign out, then back in. If sync still fails, restart the Chromebook and check storage. That one troubleshooting step fixes most sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.